Commercial property underwriting today is slowed down by fragmented context and manual research cycle. The underwriters spend hours reviewing the questionnaires, cross-checking the fire safety codes, and applying the risk matrices. The bottleneck delays the codes, increases the cost, and introduces the compliance risks. So our project tackles this challenge by introducing the intelligent underwriting agent, an automated system that accelerates the risk assessment while maintaining the compliance and human oversight. So why agents? Because underwriting is inherently multi-step and context heavy. Agent allows us to break down the process into specialized roles. For example, one agent extracts the questionnaire and another one validates the compliance, and the third agent performs the scoring rules. The orchestrator coordinates them, ensuring the decisions are consistent, explainable, and auditable. So this agentic approach transforms underwriting from a manual fragmented task into a streamlined collaborative workflow. Let's see the architecture diagram. So here if you see, the architecture starts with a questionnaire which enters a security checkpoint, which first checks the scrubs the PII data, blocks the unsafe inputs, and enforces the domain rules. And then it goes to the lead architecture agent, which delegates the task to two specialized agents, which is the compliance validator agents and also the scoring agent. These agent calls the MCP server tools to retrieve the fire protection standards, underwriting guidelines, and scoring matrices. The results converge at the decision gate, borderlines the scores, trigger the human in loop review, and in clear cases, it routes directly to a structured JSON verdict. Let me switch to a small demo. In this demo, I will show you a demo in the agent developer kit where I have a property with a low risk profile. So what exactly it does is it goes past the security checkpoint and it scrubs the PII data, and then it goes to the orchestrator and the other two agents. And what exactly it's going to do is, since the profile is low risk, so the based on this profile, it makes the scoring calculation, and it gives the instant auto approval feature where we can see the decision gets auto approved. So if you see here, this is gets auto approved with the status, and in other case, if the risk is high, it also rejects automatically, and if it will be a kind of an auto reject status. And we also have a human in loop where it will be reviewed by the and approved by an underwriter, mostly a licensed underwriter. So we built this entire system in a local developer workspace using the Google Agent Developer Kit. The MCP Python SDK powers the protocol compliant tools, while the anti-gravity IDE provides the control tools. So we also use the UV package manager for reproducible builds, and Fast API for deployment, and Playground UI for live testing. By grounding our agent with the modular prompt strict credential handling, the clear architecture scaffolding, we transform the prototype into an enterprise-ready underwriting agent. So by combining the multi-agent reasoning, deterministic routing, and secure human-in-loop validation, we enable the underwriting teams to issue the codes faster, reduce the compliance error, and scale the property risk assessment safely. This intelligent underwriting agent demonstrates how agentic system can modernize the insurance workflow, turning hours of manual review into seconds and automated and auditable decisions. That's all I have. Thank you.